In the 6 months since ChatGPT launched, millions have been able to converse with artificial intelligence for the first time. AI is already changing our world. It's developing medical treatments, it's making employees more productive or replacing them, and it's even aiding authorities in identifying criminals. But AI also poses great risk. It can diagnose people incorrectly, discriminate in hiring decisions, and monitor people without their consent, prompting many to call for immediate regulation.
I think there should be some government oversight because it affects it's a danger to the public.
Probably some types of regulation are needed. Regulation is telling parties that are producing things, you will obey, you will not do certain bad things.
I think this is a significant area of concern. I do think some regulation would be quite wise.
Rather than waiting for the federal government to tackle the problem, here's what a few states are doing. Colorado passed a law in 2021 that says insurance companies can't use algorithms or predictive models that could unfairly discriminate against people based on their race, color, national or ethnic origin, religion, sex, or other factors. The state's Division of Insurance is working on specific rules that insurance companies will need to follow to comply with the law. In California, Assemblymember Rebecca Bauer-Kahn introduced a bill that would set some rules for anyone using automated tools to make consequential decisions that affect people's access to things like employment, housing, and healthcare. It would require companies to disclose when they're using such tools and to do annual impact assessments. The bill would also allow applicants and employees who believe they've been discriminated against to sue the company that used the algorithmic decision tool. Connecticut's governor recently signed a bill which will require the state to take inventory of its AI tools and set policies for using them. It'll also establish an AI task force to develop recommendations for an AI Bill of Rights. Texas has a law that'll create an AI advisory council, which would study AI and how the state government could use it. And an Illinois law enacted in 2020 pertains to employers who use AI to analyze video job interviews. Those employers have to tell applicants when they're using such tools and how they work. They'll also have to get consent and delete the videos within a month if the applicants ask them to. Maryland has a similar law. It's still too early to say what the long-term impact of these efforts will be, but it's clear that lawmakers are taking the issue of AI regulation seriously. And as the federal government continues to deliberate, it's likely we'll see more states take action.
Thanks for watching. We know that Americans' trust in media is near an all-time low. That is why Straight Arrow News is on a mission to bring you unbiased, fact-based reporting. To make sure that you get the journalism that you trust, like and subscribe to Straight Arrow News below. And to catch all of our content, go to our website, straightarrownews.com.